I would be willing to say that Mexico is possibly one of the most hospitable destinations I have ever known.
Tony, how can we learn to play polo?
If you want to learn how to play polo, you can come to Cabo and we will personally teach you how to ride polo style and how to play the sport of polo. We've been here since 2008, our first tournament, November 2008, and basically it's on now. Come on down. This sport has been played around the world, and also we've been having players coming from all over to Cabo to play, learn how to play, and play in our tournaments.